Swiss voters told gun grabbers to go take a hike on Sunday, February 24th. A coalition of women's groups and some churches had been pushing for a measure that would have banned the Swiss practice of keeping fully automatic battle rifle, assault weapon, machine guns at home. Swiss voters shot that idea down, and 57% of them said, "We like having machine guns at home." Now, gun grabbers would have us believe that violence and guns are so connected that you have more guns, you have more crime. Actually, the opposite is quite the case. Switzerland's murder rate with firearms is 0.3 per 100,000 inhabitants. In the United States, murder rate with firearms is 4.2 per 100,000. So if there is this connection between guns and violence, then we ought to follow the Swiss practice of giving every man a machine gun if he's between the ages of 17 and 44. And for an old geezer like me, as in Switzerland, the military has to sell him one. I think the Swiss got it just right, don't you?